Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're just going to be doing a quick halo eye tutorial. So I am starting off by taking the Plouise base and I am just going to put that all over my eyelid and carve out the brows using the flat base brush as well. This is just going to help give the eye a really even coverage and a really sticky base for the eyeshadow to stick to. I'm just going to keep tapping that in until it's all blended. This is the look that we're going to be going for. So I am starting off by taking a really deep blue shade and I am just working that in my crease. For the moment I am stamping the colour on and sweeping it across rather than blending it in right now, because I'm just trying to get as much of that blue pigment stamped into the crease on each corner as I possibly can. Once we've got enough colour we will start to blend that out. Now I'm just starting to blend around the edges, try and just make the colour look as even as possible. Then we're going in with a light blue shade and we're just going above where that deep blue shade was, and we're just going to start to blend that into the same direction as the other colour. And once again we are sort of patting and sweeping before we start blending. Now I'm going to go in and blend that colour out. You want to try and pat it on and get as much pigment as possible before you start to blend. Then I'm just going back in with that deep blue shade and I am just deepening up the crease and the outer corners. So then I am just going in with a big fluffy brush that's got no product on it and I am just blending them two shades together and making sure everything is blended and there's no patchiness. And then I'm just going to go back in with the colours, each colour again and again until I feel like there's enough pigment and they're all blended properly. That is the trick with these eyeshadow looks, is to go back in with the colour and just keep building it up and then taking a big fluffy brush and blending them both together. Once that is done I am just going to take a wipe and I'm going to wipe out the very middle bit of that eyeshadow where it doesn't need to be. And once you've wiped off that excess eyeshadow, that's when we are going to go back in with that Plouise base, the Plouise base brush, and we are going to just carve out that middle part of the eyelid, sort of in a little halo shape, if that makes sense. So this bit, it is very tricky, but if you've got a flat base brush it tends to be a lot easier. Once you've got your base down, we're gonna then take a blue shimmer and we are just gonna pack that all over the lid. So I have gone for a blue shimmer that sort of looked similar to the outside shade, and I am literally just packing that all over that lid. And then once again I am going back in with all of them colours and I am just making sure that they're all blended. I'm making sure that the colour pops now that we've done. So once I'm happy with the eyelids and I think they're all blended, I am going to take the two blue shades and I am going to run them across my lower lash line until it looks like this, and then I'm just going to wipe off any excess. So I have just wiped off any excess and I have done the rest of my base makeup and I have applied some lashes, and this is the finished result. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope it all helps you out when you are trying to achieve your halo look. So guys, I just want to say once again thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and hopefully I will see you all again soon. Bye guys.